Hello guys, today we will learn how to boost Windows 10. Uh, there are 16 steps involved in this process. The first one is to change your power settings. So we head over to our setting panels and go to control panel. From control panel menu we go to hardware and sounds and power options. Here by default this option is selected, and also the other one is balance. We can create new power settings which is high performance. So these are the three modes. So the first one, automatically balance performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. The second one, saves energy by reducing your computer performance where possible. The third one, favors performance but may use energy. So whichever suits you can be applied from this menu. Now we are heading towards our second step, that is disable programs that run on startup. So we right click on taskbar and go to this menu, startup. So from this list we can see different programs that runs at startup. For example, we want to stop this program from starting at the startup, so we click on disable, or we can enable it again. So these are the programs which starts when Windows initially start. So it can also improve the performance of Windows. Third is Ready Boost. So the Ready Boost is an feature of Windows which can boost also Windows. So suppose we put our USB drive, and this is our USB drive. We right click on the USB drive, and we click right click on USB drive and go to properties. Here we can see Ready Boost. So this device cannot be used for Ready Boost because our system is fast enough to don't use this feature, so we don't need this feature. However, some legacy system may need this feature, so the performance is cached to the USB drive. Now we are heading towards the step number 4, to shutting off Windows tips and tricks. So for this step we head over to our settings, and from this menu we go to our personalization, so we go to system notification, and we see this icon, so we should have uncheck this tick mark to boost up our Windows performance. Now we heading towards step number 5, to stopping OneDrive from syncing. So we right click on the OneDrive and click pause syncing. There are 3 options for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours and 24 hours. So this can also increase the performance of your Windows environment. Sixth step is use file OneDrive files on demand. So we right click on this and go to the settings tab, and then go to this. So we see that this is checked, so it means so we can use the feature to only use the files on cloud, not on our local system, which can be only used while we need it everywhere, but not our own system, which the feature is files on demand. So this can also increase the performance of Windows. Then go to turn off search index. So we go to services and select Windows search. Windows search, this one, we stop it. This can also increase the performance of Windows. Clean our hard disk. In this step we can use our Windows feature to clean up hard disk. So we go to storage settings, and from here we can see that this feature, the toggle button which is off, we can turn it on, which automatically free up spaces by getting rid of files you don't need. So this is a feature which is called storage sense. We can use this, which can be used that we use the recycle bin to delete files permanently after 1 day, after 14, after 30, up to 60. So this feature can also be used to boost up the performance of Windows. Okay, the ninth one is clean your registry. So for registry we can use different type of application. I personally use CCleaner, which can be used to search for any missing links or registries in your system. And also this is another application which can use Logjix registry cleaner. Whatever you use, can both are beneficial. The third, for the 10th one, is disable shadow animation and effects. So this is the, we want to go to sysdm.cpl, click and enter. sysdm.cpl. So from this menu we go to advanced performance, and here there are three options. Fourth option is custom. You want to enable for best performance, for best appearance, or your custom setting. It can also increase the performance of your Windows. Disable transparency. So this is another feature of Windows 10 which can be used to increase the performance of Windows 10. So we go to settings, and then to personalization, and here to colors, and here we see this button is off, so we can turn it on, which can increase the decrease the performance. If we turn it off, so it can increase the performance of your Windows 10. Now the 12th one is turn on automated Windows maintenance. So this is also a handy feature of Windows which can be used to increase the performance. So for this we head over to setting menu, and then go to security. So for this we should go to our control panel and go to system security and maintenance, and the second option, maintenance. So from here we can start the maintenance and also change its settings. So we should click this one to apply, and it can increase also our Windows performance. Okay, bloatware. This is the 13 number step So we head over to our Windows built-in antivirus or firewall, Windows dependent firewall, and we run this program. It can also increase the performance of Windows. To defrag your Windows, we simply type dfrag and select the drive you want to defrag and click on optimize. So we can see its current status and it's running. So we can defrag our drives from this menu. Disable game mode. So we go to our settings, go to gaming, and from here it is off. I get it off. Normally by default it is on, so we should go to this button and toggle it to off. So with this, Windows performance can be increased. The last but not the least, the legacy step used by IT admins all over the world is to shut down and restart the Windows. It can also increase the performance of your system. I hope you have enjoyed the steps I followed, and uh, I would be happy for your queries if any. Thank you.